FSRealistic plus connected.
In this video, we'll go over everything you need to know to get started with FSRealistic Plus. You can use the video timeline at any time to jump directly to the section that's relevant for you. Requirements and limitations. 1. ChasePlane for MSFS 2024. 2. MSFS 2024. Please note, MSFS 2020 is not supported at this time. 3. VR is not supported at this time. 4. For additional ChasePlane related limitations, check the ChasePlane limitations page. Link is in the video description. How to install. Download the installer from the store you purchased FSRealistic Plus from. You can also always find the latest version on the downloads page at rkApps.shop. To install, run the installer. It should auto-locate your MSFS community folder path, then click Next a few times. And that's it. Go and start the simulator. Activation and trial. FSRealistic Plus runs as an in-game panel inside MSFS. You'll find it in the MSFS toolbar. Click the FSRealistic Plus icon to open it. The first thing you'll see is the selection of activation or trial. In case you've bought FSRealistic Plus already, you should have a serial available. Click on the Activate button, enter your email and serial, then press Activate. If you still don't have a serial and simply want to experience FSRealistic Plus for 7 days free, click on the Start Trial button and enter your email. Inside the panel, you'll find 3 tabs: Effects, Profile, and Settings. The Effects tab is where you view and adjust all FSRealistic Plus effects. The Profile tab is where you manage aircraft profiles and browse shared cloud profiles for the currently loaded aircraft. And lastly, the Settings tab is where you control different aspects of FSRealistic Plus. A general rule of thumb: any change you make is applied instantly. There is no need to press Save anywhere. Effects tab. On the left side, you'll find the list of available effects. At the top, you can filter which effect states you want to see. This in order not to have a long list of effects to look at. Each effect has a name and a dot indicator. If the dot exists, the effect is enabled. If the dot is bright, the effect is currently triggered and running. You can use these indicators to easily understand which effects are active. When you select an effect, the right side of the UI changes accordingly. Each effect has different settings you can tweak to your liking, but the overall structure is similar. On/off toggle. When the toggle is on, the effect is enabled. When it is off, the effect is disabled and will not run. Test button. The test button may or may not exist, depending on the effect. When pressed during an active flight, the effect will be simulated so you can easily tweak its settings. When you're done, click the button again to stop the test. If a test button does not exist, you should adjust the effect during an actual flight. Camera effect settings. Camera effect settings are controlled using sliders. Each slider has a specific purpose, which is usually clear from its title and tooltip. If you want to reset a section back to its default values, you can always click the Reset button. Sound effect settings. Sound settings are similar, but slightly different. Each sound effect lets you choose between different sounds using the left and right arrows. To the right of that, you'll find the Sounds Cloud feature. Sounds Cloud allows you to upload your own custom sounds and share them publicly. There is a separate video that focuses only on Sounds Cloud and how to use it. You'll find the link in the video description. Below that, you'll find a volume slider and sometimes additional sound-specific settings. ChasePlane settings. Since FSRealistic Plus uses the ChasePlane camera system, all camera movements go through ChasePlane. In the ChasePlane Settings tab, you can control how strong the current effect is in different ChasePlane camera groups and modes. For example, you can decide that an effect will work fully in the internal camera, but not in Chase, External, or World camera modes. You can configure this exactly how you want. Profile tab. A general rule of thumb for FSRealistic Plus profiles: you cannot create multiple profiles for the same aircraft. Each aircraft always has one active profile. When you load an aircraft for the first time, a profile is automatically created. It is loaded with default values based on the aircraft type, such as jet, turboprop, piston, helicopter, fighter jet, aerobatic, or glider. From that point on, any change you make applies to that aircraft's profile. At the top of the page, you'll see the aircraft name and its type. Below that, you'll find a set of profile options. Master switch. When on, FSRealistic Plus works for this aircraft. When off, FSRealistic Plus is disabled for this aircraft. Reset to defaults. Resets all effect settings for this aircraft. Copy from profile. Lets you copy settings from another aircraft profile you already have. Share to cloud. After tweaking a profile to your liking, you can share it with the community. Enter your name, a short description, and share it. Cockpit door offset. This slider is meant for aircraft that have a cabin door, like airliners. If the aircraft does not have a cabin door, keep the slider at 0. If it does have a cabin door, first move the slider to 0. Then place your camera next to the cabin door. Slowly increase the slider until you stop hearing sounds leaking through the door. This helps FSRealistic Plus correctly determine the cabin door position for spatial audio. Not setting this correctly may cause some sound effects to behave incorrectly. Shared profiles. Below that, you'll find the Shared Profiles section, where you can download profiles created by other users. At any time, you can always reset back to defaults. Also note that rkApps Cloud is always active. All aircraft profiles are automatically backed up, so you won't lose your settings if you reinstall FSRealistic Plus. Settings tab. In the top left corner, you'll see information about the version and license. When an update is available, a banner will appear. In the Settings tab, you'll find an Update button. Click it, read the release notes, and start the update. Some updates require restarting MSFS, while others do not. After the update completes, the UI will restart automatically. System status. In the top right corner, you'll see the status of core components FSRealistic Plus relies on: FSRealistic Windows Service, Our Servers, and ChasePlane integration. If any of these indicators are red, you should not expect full normal behavior. Audio settings. You can select which audio device FSRealistic Plus uses and adjust the master volume, which controls all FSRealistic Plus sounds globally. You'll also find general settings, starting with the disabled effects list. This allows you to globally disable effects so they will never auto-enable for newly loaded aircraft. Announce connection. When enabled, you'll hear FSRealistic Plus connected when the connection is established. We recommend to keep this on, as when an update is available, it will announce Update Available, which will help you conclude an action is needed. Mute in background. When enabled, FSRealistic Plus sounds will mute when MSFS is not in focus. Send logs and restart service. These are mainly for support. If you encounter an issue, restarting the service can sometimes help as a first step. You'll also find buttons linking to important information and support resources. Now that you're familiar with FSRealistic Plus, enjoy it. We believe the combination of ChasePlane and FSRealistic Plus provides the best camera and sound immersion available today. If you have questions or need help, visit rkapps.shop support or join our Discord. Links are in the video description. Happy flying!